CapCut Video Studio is our newly launched AI-native content creation workflow, built for everyone from beginners to professionals. It's an agentic, canvas-based platform where you can create cinematic-level projects in a more flexible, all-in-one way. In this episode, we'll walk you through the basics and focus on how AI beginners can create something amazing with the tool. We'll guide you from zero to creating your first AI short film with us. AI professionals can jump to the other episode to learn more about the master mode. All right, let's get started. First, go to CapCut.com and click Try Online to sign in. Find AI Studio, video on the left. On this page, you'll find many sample videos below that you can browse for inspiration. Here we'll see the chat box, where we can start describing our video or image while setting parameters like the AI model and aspect ratio. This chatbot on the right is our AI agent. You can talk to it and co-create with it throughout the whole creation process. You'll find 3 modes: image, video, and auto. Image and video let you select the model and adjust settings like aspect ratio, and for video, duration as well. With auto, you can simply describe what you want, and the agent will figure out the best way to generate it for you. Here, we'll choose auto mode. For example, we can upload some amazing vacation photos and videos, a link to a web page about our destination, and even some creative ideas we saved while traveling. They will be shown as cards on the canvas. We can select any card to use in the prompt for a precise and accurate creation process. We'll see a video brief added to the canvas. It gives a comprehensive overview of what kind of video is going to be generated. And the good news is, we can make edits. Super easy. Since we're making this for children as an educational video, we'll choose a cute cartoon style. The narrator should sound fine. Oh, we've designed our own manta that we'd like to use in this video. Let's replace the default one. It's very important to choose the scene media. If you want moving visuals instead of still images, make sure to select video clips for each scene. Next, set the aspect ratio based on where the video will be published. For example, choose 9:16 for vertical platforms like TikTok. We can also edit the text in the outline or narration. If we have a script or a voiceover transcript ready, we can copy and paste it here. All looking good. Let's hit Generate Video. Boom! Your video appears in a storyboard where every scene laid out. This is where you become the director. First, let's look at the transcript. Here you can edit the words to make it flow perfectly. You can see how the script needs to match the output. Sometimes you need another go at that. Don't worry, AI makes it easy and captions update automatically after every change. Now let's dive into the scenes themselves. Hover over any clip to see those options. Want that manta ray clip shorter? Trim and cut it down in seconds. Need to rearrange the story? Drag and drop scenes into the perfect order. Not feeling a particular clip? Here's where you can take things up a notch. You can replace it with your own footage, grab something from the stock library, or hit Regenerate, and let the AI create something entirely new. Similarly, we can also change the narrator. There are 2 options, voiceover and avatar. Since we're not making a talking head type of video now, I'll just change the voiceover. Besides choosing from the voice library, we can create our custom voice as well. Over here above the preview, we can change the elements in the video, such as music and caption style. In the elements, we can also add smart edits where caption highlights, sound effects, stickers, and other effects will be intelligently and automatically applied. And we can adjust the intensity to decide how many smart edits we'd like to add. Here's the best part. You can keep multiple video briefs and storyboards all in one Canvas project. So if you want to try different versions, test new ideas, or just iterate without losing what you already made, it's all right here. Now, let's export the full video we just made and post it on socials. Make your ideas seen and celebrated. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for learning with CapCut. If you want to learn more advanced techniques such as building characters, controlling scenes, etc., and create cinema-level content, don't forget to check out the next episode in our masterclass. Happy creating! Ciao!